guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have had any videos, but I recently bought the Juvia's Palace foundation full coverage, and I'm thinking about reviewing it. Let's see how it works. I have been using it already for about a week or two. I just moisturize my skin, and I'm using the L'Oreal Hydro Renewal as a moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. I already got it out of the box and I threw the box, and I don't know what happened to the box. So that's that. Ibiza. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus. Shade 530.
And it says directions: apply product with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with the sweeping and buffing motions all over your face. Full coverage. It says it right there. Full coverage.
I'm gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand. And by that, that's a lot. A little bit goes a lot, guys. So I know it's a small packaging, but because it is full coverage, you don't need a lot of foundation, a lot of product. So I'm just dabbing my beauty blender and we'll start.
When I was buying it, I wasn't able to get this one the first time because it was already out of stock, and I was on the site literally at exactly the time that it asked, it said it was going to go on. And the other shade, I think it was Mystic or Majestic, that one, it's like a shade lighter, I believe, but, well, it's around the same tones. It did say this one, it's more for a golden tone, warm tone, and the other one was more for a cooler tone. So off the bat, I knew that one wasn't going to be it, but I was like, hey, if I can't get the one that I want, I might as well just get one to see how it works. Because even though that one was too bright, I could have still worked with it by just bronzing my face and contouring, and but yeah, I kept applying it, and I kept looking really pale, really gray skin, like just really pale, and I was like, you know what, this is not my shade. And once I got this one, I just gave the other one to my coworker, which that shade for her was like perfect, I think. So it does dry fast, which you have to work fast, because then it stops, like it's harder for you to blend after if you leave it for a good while. So if you're the type of person that dabs your whole face with foundation and then works on it, don't. So this is one layer, it looks a little patchy. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of mist. So I'm going to apply a little bit more, just a tap more, because I like a full coverage. Take in mind, I'm not going to apply none right here under my under eye area because I still have to highlight and I still have to put concealer, so we're not overpacking that area. Then if you overpack it, it's going to be even more noticeable for your lines and once you bake, so I'm not doing that. But I do have some spots like this patching right here, and then I have a couple of acne marks from way back when I didn't used to take care of my skin. So we're just going to go back for those. If you apply too much, just go on and apply it somewhere else, but work fast. So I suggest coming back and forth. So you see how that's gone, and you see this spot right here, so let's just go on and cover that too. Awesome. And then whatever's left over, just go on and do your thing wherever you think you need it.
That's how the foundation looks. I do really like it because it is full coverage, so it's right on. Like, it covers a lot of blemishes that you may have, and a lot of, once you do color correcting and stuff, it's probably even gonna look much better. But I just wanted you guys to see as far as applying it right bare on the face with just a moisturizer or primer. It is full coverage, like it says. It's really good full coverage. The tones, they are amazing. I believe there's like over 30 tones, or 32, I'm not sure. And the colors, I like how they thought of the yellow tone people, because not many brands, when they launch the foundation colors and the shades, most of them are all within the rosy tones, the cooler tones, but not much of warm tones. So I love how this particular foundation, it does go for the yellow tones, the olive tones. You know, me myself, I'm yellow tone, olive tone, I can work with both, but not many other foundations. Either I put a foundation and it says the warm tone, it'll be too pale on me, or it'll be too dark on me. So I have to constantly go on with contouring and bronzing and highlighting, and so that takes a lot of work. But once the foundation is right on your tone, you don't have to work, or you don't have to do much. Going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Alright, so we're just gonna fast forward through this part right here. I'm just highlighting my under eye area, my nose, my forehead, a little bit on the lip, and under my cheek contouring, just to help a little bit more at the end. So we're just gonna blend out the concealer that we just applied. I like to blend out the inner corner first and take all the extra product down towards my cheekbone and blend it out with the rest of the foundation. So after you're done blending out the concealer all over the areas, you want to go ahead and get your finishing powder or setting powder to set the under eye area. This is the finished look. I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment down below. This was my second week on this foundation, and I do like it a lot. Like I said, it's a really good foundation. It's awesome. I really do like it. It is full coverage and it doesn't feel too tacky. You can make it glow. Just apply, you know, your setting spray. The only thing I do not like about this foundation, that it is not waterproof. I wish I could just demonstrate it on my face and call it a day, because I was crying the other day and I had this foundation on and I had just did my face and it was like runny, like my freaking makeup was bad. Nope, I guess it's not wanting to use the camera. There it goes a little bit. You see that? So that is what I'm talking about. When your foundation gets wet, that's what's gonna happen to your foundation. Like I was saying, thank you for watching my video and see you guys again. Bye. See you guys later.